Hello friends, Mehjabin here. Today we are going to look into the 11 different types of nouns. To know what exactly is a noun, check out my video on the parts of speech. The link will be in the description below. And now let's get started. So the different types of nouns are common noun, proper noun, abstract noun, concrete noun, countable noun, material noun, uncountable noun, compound noun, collective noun, singular noun, plural noun. What is a common noun? Common people, common places, common things and common ideas. These fall in the category of common nouns. For example, pencil, child, egg, wall. These are different examples of common nouns. Now we come to proper noun. Particular people, particular places, particular things are proper nouns. For example, Harry, it's the name of a particular person. Greece, it's the name of a particular place. Atlantic Ocean is the name of a particular ocean. So these start with capital letters and these are proper nouns. Now, what are abstract nouns? Abstract nouns are those nouns that cannot be seen, cannot be heard, cannot be touched, cannot be tasted, and also they cannot be smelt. For example, joy, hatred, grief, honesty, democracy, liberty, these are all abstract nouns. Then we come to concrete nouns. So exactly the opposite of abstract nouns are concrete nouns. For example, these nouns can be seen, they can be heard, or they can be touched, or they can be tasted or smelled. For example, plum, which is the example of a fruit, rat, which is the example of an animal, book, house, door, these are examples of concrete nouns. Countable noun, and we have again uncountable noun. So what is a countable noun? Nouns which can be counted, those are called as countable nouns. Like jars, boxes, pens, girls, musicians. These are all countable nouns because they can be counted. Then material noun, a substance from which a thing is made, that is called a material noun. For example, silver, iron, cotton, plastic, tin. These are different examples of material nouns. Uncountable nouns, they cannot be counted. For example, water, milk, bread, salt, sugar, snow, sand, dust, money, luggage, food. These are different examples of uncountable nouns, nouns that cannot be counted. Now what are compound nouns? Compound nouns are made up of two or more words. Like textbook, it is made up of text and book. Then snowball, made up of snow and ball. Seafood, made from sea and food. So we have compound nouns and sunflower, sun and flower. So these are all examples of compound nouns. Collective noun refers to a group of things as one whole. For example, a bunch of keys, a crowd of people, team, flock. These are examples of collective nouns. Now we come to singular noun. Singular noun refers to one person, one thing, one place or one idea. For example, lion, horse, boat, mango, activity. These are all examples of singular nouns. Opposite of singular is plural. So what are plural nouns? They refer to more than one person, things which are more than one in number. Those are plural. So then again, places which are more than one, persons who are more than one in number, ideas which are more than one. These are all plural nouns. Like for example, nurses, tutors, songs, children. These are all examples of plural nouns. Well, that's all for today. Consider subscribing to this channel. It's free. Give the video a like if you found the content useful. Meet you again very soon. Bye.